Solve using the quadratic formula. So we have x squared minus 2x plus 24 equals 0. First, let's write down our quadratic formula. So we have x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, now the a, b, and c are constants within this equation. So this will be a in this equation, b will be negative 2, and c will be negative 24. Now we simply just plug in. So we have x equals a negative 2 plus or minus square root of negative 2 squared minus 4. Make sure you use the parentheses, especially if you're dealing with negative numbers, to make sure that you're not mixing up the negative and positives. So a is 1 and c is negative 24 over 2 times 1. Now let's simply solve. This is basically like a negative 1 times a negative, positive. So we have 2 plus or minus square root of negative 2 times negative 2, which is 4, minus we have negative 4 times a negative 24, which gives us a positive 96 over 2, which gives us 2 plus or minus square root of 100 over 2, which is 2 plus or minus square root of 100, which is 10 over 2. Let's carry this over here. So now we have to have two separate values for x to satisfy this equation. So we'll have 2 plus 10 over 2, and we'll also have 2 minus 10 over 2. Okay, sorry about that. Let's do the first one, 12 over 2. This gives us 6. This one, 2 minus 10, this is negative 8 over 2, which gives us a negative 4. So our values for x equals 6 and negative 4. That's your answer.